So today I will be discussing uh, the chapter linear inequation. Now you have heard this inequality word is not new for you. You have heard this inequality word in your lower classes. There you have compared the two number. See, in the lower classes you have compared 5 and 10. So compare these two numbers. So you have compared in this way, 5 is less than 10, or you can say 10 is greater than 5, or you can say that 5 is equal to 5. So you have already used this inequality. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss the same thing. The only difference is here we will discuss, here we will compare two linear equation, or we will compare linear equation with a constant, or we will compare three linear equation. So let's get familiar with some fundamental things before solving the linear equation. Now topic 1. Topic 1. Now in this topic I will discuss 3 points. What is the meaning of linear inequation? What is the meaning of replacement set? And what is the meaning of solution and solution set? So let us discuss the first point, linear inequation. So let us consider a general linear inequation. Ax plus b less equal to c. Now as where x belongs to real number. Now here we have compared a linear equation with a constant. Now this sign is called sign of inequality. Sign of inequality. Now there are 4 signs of inequality: less, less equal to, greater, greater equal to. You are familiar with these signs of inequality. Now this one is called variable of inequation. Variable of inequation. Generally it is represented by x, sometimes it may be represented by y, z and so on. Doesn't matter. Generally x is given, but if y and z are given, then question will be same. Now this set is called replacement set. Replacement set. Now mainly 4 replacement set will be given in the question. Set of natural number, set of whole number, set of integer and set of real number. We will discuss this point and this about replacement set in the next point. So for example 5x or 2x plus 3 less equal to 10. It is an example of linear inequation. Why? We have compared a linear equation with a constant and let the replacement set be set of natural number. Suppose we are writing 2x plus 3 is less equal to 5x plus 4, where x is whole number. So here we have compared a linear expression with another linear expression. So this is also linear inequation. Now third, suppose I am writing 2x plus 3 is greater than 2 and less equal to 5. Now this is also an example of linear inequation. Why? Because here we have compared a linear equation with two constants. Now actually it is combination of, okay, leave it. Fourth, suppose I am writing 2x plus 3 is greater than x plus 1 and less equal to x plus 3x plus 5, where x belongs to real number. This is also an example of linear inequation. Why? Here we are comparing three linear expressions. So have you got the meaning of linear inequation? Why it is called linear? Because here the power of variable is 1, and that's why this is called linear inequation. It is linear inequation in one variable. Why? Because only one variable is present in this inequation. In all this inequation you can see only one variable x is present, and that's why it is called linear inequation in one variable. So have you got the meaning of this linear inequation in one variable? Now let us discuss the second term, replacement set. Replacement set. It is second point of topic 1. Replacement set. Now what is replacement set? So replacement set is the set given along with inequation. The set given along with inequation from which the value of variable, say the variable is x, belongs. The set given along with the inequation from which the value of variable belongs. So that set is called replacement set. For example, suppose it is given that 2x plus 3 is less equal to 10, where x belongs to natural number. So this set is given along with this inequation. This set of natural number is given along with this inequation. So this given set is called replacement set. And what does it mean? It means we have to choose those value of x which belongs to this given set. That means the solution of this equation must belong from this set. Or you can say in another way, question setter has restricted the domain of the number, that you have to choose the number from this set only which will satisfy this inequation. So question setter has fixed the domain that you have to choose the number from this set only. So that's why it is also called domain of variable. That means you have to choose the solution from this set only, not any other set. Now mainly you will be given 4 replacement sets in the question. So main replacement sets are main replacement sets are. So mainly we will be given these four replacement set in the question. Set of natural number. It is noted by capital N. In the question it will be noted by capital N. So set of natural number. You are knowing about the natural number? 1, 2, 3. These are called. These counting numbers are called the set of natural number. Now second, set of whole number. All the natural numbers along with 0 is called set of whole number. Now third, set of integer. Set of integer is denoted by Z, but in some book you will get I also. So what is set of integer? All the natural numbers, 0 and negative of all the natural numbers. That means all the numbers without fraction is called set of integer. And the last replacement set will be given set of real number, which is denoted by R. Now what is set of real number? It is altogether a rational number and irrational number. You are familiar with the rational numbers? All the numbers, fractional numbers including integer. So all these natural number, whole number and integers are also rational numbers. So you can say, what do you mean by a real number? All these numbers together are called set of real number. So mainly in the question these four replacement set will be given to you. Now you don't have to find the replacement set. In the question it will be given to you. Now if in case replacement set is not given to you, then in that case by default you will take replacement set of real number. Why? Because set of real number is the biggest set of number. All these numbers are present in set of real numbers. So have you got this point? Again I am repeating. In most of the question this replacement set will be given to you. Now if in case replacement set is not given to you, then by default you have to take replacement set of real number. Suppose here replacement set is not given to us. Then in that case what will be the replacement set? It will be set of real number. Now let us discuss the third point. Let us discuss the third point. Solution and solution set. Solution and solution set. Now what is the meaning of these two terms? So to explain these two terms, let us consider one simple linear inequation. Suppose I am taking 2x plus 3 is less equal to 10, where x belongs to whole number. Now here the replacement set is whole number. Now what is the meaning of solution? The value of variable from the replacement set which will satisfy this given inequation. That is called solution. Got? The value of variable from this replacement set which will satisfy the given inequation. For example, let us take one value of x from this replacement set. say x equal to 0. 0 is whole number. So this number belongs to this replacement set. So let us check whether this number from replacement set is solution of this inequation or not. So for checking, just substitute the value of x here in the given inequation. Put here 0 plus 3 less equal to 10. So it will be 3 less equal to 10. Now is this relation true or false? So answer is true. So we can say that this is the solution of the given inequation. So this is the, therefore x equal to 0 is one of the solution of given inequation. Now let us check another number, x equal to 1. Is it solution of this inequation or not? So let us verify. 2 into, in place of x substitute this 1 plus 3 less equal to 10. So it will be 2 plus 3 less equal to 10, that is 5 less equal to 10. It is also true. It means this value from the replacement set also satisfies this given inequation. So x equal to 1 is also one of the solution of given inequation. Now let us check another number, x equal to say 5. Now this number also belongs to this replacement set. Now let us check that this number is solution of this inequation or not. So again substitute here, 2 into 5 plus 3 less equal to 10. So 13 less equal to 10. Is it true or false? Of course it is false, because 13 is not less than 10. So therefore this number belongs to this replacement set, but this number does not satisfy the given inequation. So that's why x is equal to 5 is not the solution of given inequation. So have you got the meaning of solution? Again I am repeating, the value of variable from this given replacement set which will satisfy the given inequation. That value is called what? Solution. Now an equation may have many solutions. So set of all those solutions are called solution set. Now one point you have to mark, that solution set of any inequation depends on replacement set. Better you note it down. This point is very important. Solution set depends on replacement set given. Solution set depends on replacement set given. What does it mean? It means same inequation may have different solution set for different replacement set. For example, suppose I am saying that x is less than 5 and here the replacement set is set of natural number. So this is the inequation given and this is the replacement set given the question, set of natural number. So what will be the solution set here? Solution set, which number from this replacement set will satisfy this inequation? So of course 1 will satisfy because 1 is less than 5, 2 will satisfy, 3 will satisfy and 4 will satisfy. So this is the solution set. But in the same question, suppose inequation is same, replacement set is now whole number. Now what will be the solution set? Now solution set will be what? 0 also satisfy this inequation because 0 is less than 5. 1 will satisfy, 2 will satisfy, 3 will satisfy, 4 will satisfy. And now the solution set is this one. So this solution set is different from this set. Now suppose in the same question, x less than 5, inequation is same. Now suppose this times x belongs to set of integer. Now, so in this case the solution set will be, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the negative number, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Why? Because negative number is always less than positive number. So what we have got from these three examples? In all the examples, linear inequations are same, but the replacement sets are different. So that's why we are getting different solution sets. So that's why I've written solution set depends on replacement set given. Same inequation may have different solution, sometimes solution set may be same also. So same equation may have different solution set for different replacement set. So this is topic 1. Now in the next lecture